Hello guys, let's try to create this slide. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is some great, amazing options that we can create. Okay, at first we need to create a blank slide. Then we need to use this rectangle that we created. We go to shape format, and in the shape outline we use this object, and the color, they has nothing special. And these two shapes are also have nothing special. I just simply copy them and paste it here. Copy it and paste it here. These three shapes has nothing special. I just copy them here. But the important thing is about that. Oh, sorry. I don't know why this shape is too. Let me copy that. We have these three shapes. Now I need to create the text in them. Some of you may ask, where does it come? It's really easy. You can go to insert and the icons. Here in the icons you find all three of the icons that I use for currency and everything else. You can find them easily. For example, for your better understanding, let us try to find some of them. They are all here. You can find all of them and use them, free of them if you want. Okay, we insert them. After inserting them, we put them here. But this is not in the center. Let's align it center and align it center. Now let's select three of them and group them. This is the first group. Now we need to group the next thing. But grouping these things has a little problem that we shouldn't group them. I will tell you what the problem is. But for now, let's copy the next thing. We have this blue thing, and copy that and paste it here. Let me just align it. Align it here and align the text in the center, and this thing, okay, I think this thing, and copy that and align it here, align this thing here and align this thing in the center. Okay, now we need to make the transition. I don't know if it has. Okay, it has the hyperlink also. We need to create the transition. We select all of them, move them like this. I don't know why the moving is not. Okay, it's because I think no, it's not, the snap is not on. Okay, the thing is being created. Now I need to put it here and also put it here. I think, yes, I need to put it here. Let me just, before putting that here, I do some modification. I just group them and group them and group them and send this through three group to back, and also here group them and group them and group them. Now send this three group to back. Okay, now I need to put it here. Now let me just copy that. We have the, now we need to have the blue one. We have this one. Let me just put it out and put this thing out, and we need to put it here and after that put this here, and after doing that put this here. Now put this here, put this here, and put this here. Now we just simply copy this text, paste it here, paste it here, and also paste it here. Now set the transition to morph. Now let the magic begins. You see, it's looking really amazing and we can use it as we pleasure. Okay, if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything.